Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, it's video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of women wedding dresses Croatia. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia women wedding dresses designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. One of a kind designs Croatia wedding dresses are the handmade, enduring a unique and exclusive design, customizable choose color, yarns, and pattern to match personal styles and wedding theme. Personal touch Croatia dresses often features handmade details. Lightweight Croatia fabric is breathable, and the lightweight product for warm weather wedding. Croatia allow for flexibility and the environment, ensuring comfort during the ceremony and affections. Easy care Croatia dresses are often easy to clean and maintain. Lace-like details Croatia creates delight-like patterns, adding elegance to the dress. Flowing Croatia fabric drops beautifully, creating a centering soil-made Croatia wedding dress evoke friendly choices. Table relies to organize yarns and environmentally friendly dresses. Well-made Croatia dresses can be dressed to air, reducing waste. Handmade legacy pass. Family traditions Croatia wedding dresses can become a family traditions passed down through generations. Personal connections wearing a handmade Croatia dresses creates a deep emotional connections to the wedding day. Croatia dresses become trust family keepsakes. Affordable materials Croatia yarns can be a less expensive than traditional wedding dresses materials. They are custom choose a Croatia woven dresses combinations are custom designs are lower cost. Boho lace dresses inspired mermaid gorgeous. When Croatia choosing a Croatia wedding dresses, consider these benefits: how they hide and the personal styles, weddings, visions, and value. Would you like more information on Croatia wedding dresses, patterns, and designs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices, and they love different types of designs and ideas. Select your favorite design, then apply on your dress for outstanding looks. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations. So like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. We will take care and Allah Hafiz.